Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why some people seem genuinely joyful no matter what life throws at them? Here's a little secret. A joyful life is an individual creation that cannot be copied from a recipe. So what does that mean? Well, think about it like this. Happiness isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. There's no universal recipe for joy. Your path to happiness is as unique as you are. Imagine happiness like a custom-made pizza. Sure, there are basic ingredients, but your favorite toppings make it truly yours. Some people find joy in adventure, others in quiet moments. Your unique combination of passions and interests is what creates your joyful life. Philosophers and psychologists agree. Joy comes from doing things that align with who you are. It's about living authentically and finding what truly lights you up inside. One key is self-reflection. Take time to understand what makes you tick. What activities make you lose track of time? What brings a genuine smile to your face? These are clues to your personal joy recipe. Cut to narrator outdoors, walking through a park. And here's the exciting part. Your recipe is yours to create. It's not about copying someone else's life. It's about experimenting and discovering what works for you. Maybe it's a mix of creativity, connection, and a bit of adventure. Don't be afraid to try new things. Sometimes, joy comes from unexpected places. Stay curious and be open to new experiences. The more you explore, the richer your life becomes. Remember, relationships play a big role too. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. Joy shared is joy multiplied. And don't worry about tough times. They're part of the journey. Resilience is built through challenges, and sometimes they help us appreciate the good moments even more.